Hey guys, I hope y'all stayed safe out there in the market. Just another tough day. Facebook overnight dropped 20%. Most people are trading these larger cap companies right now, just trying to buy bounces. There's earnings going on right now. Penny stock world is quiet. Honestly, today pre-market was probably the worst I've ever seen it. Just as far as how slow volume was, it was dead, very eerily quiet. Ended up making $72 today. Just very small day. Am I happy with $72? I really don't care about $72. I used to bust tables for $2.14 an hour. So $72 is $72. But at the same time, today really wasn't about the money. It was about protecting your money. Today was not a day about buying the break of resistance, rather a day of buying support, or rather than that, going short. And so my winners today were going short on small size. And that's what you have to do. You have to adapt to the market conditions in order to succeed, in order to thrive. But I hope you guys learned something today. Thanks for tuning in. Oh, TAOP. I just popped this one up. It looks really good though. I'm going to go small though, very small. But this looks really good. This looks really, really good. I think it's a higher flow though. That's my concern. I don't really know if I want to get into this. But I like the pattern. I like the pattern here on the daily. I like the pattern here intraday. Alright, I'm getting in. I'm in at 160. We'll see if volume can even come into this. Pattern looks really good. I like the higher low above 150 here. That's what I like. But volume's not coming in. I mean, it's dead. And look, 20,000 shares popping up at 163. I'm selling. Down $7. We're actually moving up a little bit. I got scared out by that huge seller. This is not a lower flow stock though. I think that was my problem. I kind of traded it as if it was a lower flow. This is around 20 some million. I guess I could see if BPI is shortable. It is shortable. Oh boy. All right. The next potential short on this stock is going to be up around 1114. So this VWAP indicator, that's going to be another solid level of resistance. I don't think it's going to get above. Alright, we'll see. I might get in on this if it comes up near it. Alright, I'm shorting at $11. We'll see if it's going to break the VWAP. Down $32 right here at the VWAP. Let's see if it's going to break. The ask side is thinning out, so that's a good sign. Alright, back down to 1095 on the bids. So that's good. Alright, 1080. Alright. I'll lock it in. $50. Not looking for a lot today, to be honest. I want to talk to you about the VWAP though, the VWAP volume weighted average price. And what it does is basically takes the average of the intraday trading, the volume and the price of the stock and the shares traded in those minutes, and it kind of averages it out. But you need to worry less about what it is and just worry about using it. The reason you want to use it is because all the other traders are using it. And that's how I was able to predict that this stock was going to be stopped up at 11.12. Now, could it have broken through? Yeah. But given the conditions of the market today, we know that it's probably not going to break through, especially since it just cracked beneath it. Then that level that served as an area of support that you see here, it was bouncing off of, bounced off of once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and then it cracked beneath it. That's a bearish move. And so now an area that was support is going to now become resistance, and you're going to have to break back above it. And since we just cracked and that was a bearish sign, I figured, okay, the VWAP is now going to serve as an area of resistance. It's very easy, guys. It's very light volume right here. I might end up shorting this. Yep, very light volume. Probably going to short this again, guys. Yeah, I'm shorting it. Volume is just so weak. It's just so weak on it. It's kind of a given that it's not going to work out. I wasn't planning on it, but volume's just not coming in. So it's a dead giveaway. Dead giveaway. Always have my finger on the trigger just in case volume is to come in. Way I can cover very quickly. Alright. Just gonna cover. I have my eye still on BPI's level 2, and the bid and ask is still just sitting around 1094, 1188. I don't really want to be in on it when the bid is sitting right there. It's not really a good sign for me. Because that way, the stock's not making up its mind. It doesn't really know what it wants to do. And if it's not making up its mind, then I'm making up my mind. When a stock's not making up its mind that it wants to sell off after hitting resistance like that, and it's just consolidating right under that level, then it's a given that this thing's just going to get some volume and break up through it. Thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to teach you guys for free. It would help me out a lot. And stay tuned for tomorrow.